Can you say red? Say car? What's that?
Yellow.
Yellow.
Blue.
Blue. Yellow and blue what?
Hi.
Hi.
Adam.
Can you say car?
Adam. Bye.
Bye. I love you.
Hi.
Hi.
Adam.
What's your name?
Bye.
What's your name? Say A
A.
L
L.
E
E.
X.
S.
Alex.
I. S.
Good job. What's your name? Hey.
A. Mommy.
What's your name? Say
Mom.
Alex.
Mom. What is EYS mean?
I don't know.
Now what? Say.
Alex. Hey. What else can you say? Say George.
George.
Say color.
Hi.
Say color.
Hi.
Hi.
Then.
How are you doing?
Then. Hi.
Bye. Say Heavenly Father. Say I love you. Oh. How about 1,
1,
2,
2,
3,
3,
4,
4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
11,
12,
13,
19,
15,
16,
17,
18,
19,
14,
21,
22,
23,
24,
25,
26,
27,
8,
29,
11.
30. That's my Alex. He's learning how to talk a lot.
Then stop it.
There's Rachel.
Stop it.
Rachel, say hi.
Hi.
What's your name? What's your name?
I don't know.
Yes, you do.
No.
Say Rachel.
Wait. Oh,
How old are you?
I'm
5. What grade do you go to?
Huh? garden.
Kindergarten. Do you like kindergarten?
Yeah.
Yeah? Are you learning lots of stuff there? What's your favorite color?
I like all colors.
You like all colors? Is there one you like more than the others? Which one?
Like pink, blue, and red, and pink,
Good job.
and blue, and red, and
Purple?
purple, and
Alex, can you say purple?
yellow, and orange, and
Smile.
that's it.
That's it?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Alex, can you say purple? Say purple. No. Say purple. Say green.
Yellow,
Yellow.
orange,
Orange.
red,
Green. Blue. Purple. Pink.